What up, y'all? Phil James. Damn it. Today is Tuesday. I'm gonna knock this dog out in a minute. Stop. Today is Tuesday, January 8th. Now, I talk about skyfall all the time, and it being the clouds that are heavy, the aerosol heavy metal clouds. And listen to this wind real quickly before I forget. So, Ohio, okay, we're not a coastline state. Why do I constantly have wind like this? It's insane, dude. It is so crazy. I never remember wind like this in OH. As a kid, not like this. And now it's like every day, crazy gusts, crazy wind storms. But no, look at the sky, look at the clouds. That is skyfall, guys. Like, look, not down there on the horizon. I'm talking about this. When you see the cloud itself, a big poofy ass cloud, and suddenly the whole bottom of it just starts falling towards the ground. You see what I'm saying? Look at that. That's not normal. That's not the way cumulus clouds are supposed to be. Like, look at that. That is skyfall, people. That's exactly what that is. But, yeah. This is skyfall, people. I mean, that's what this is. These are chemicals, these are metals, and they are falling from their altitudes, basically. I mean, I've been watching for a week and a half straight. I mean, look at this wind, dude. It's crazy. I've never seen no damn wind like this in a long time. This dog, I swear, that's why I keep bouncing, I'm sorry. But look at that. Look at those clouds. You see what I'm saying? They're dropping. You see? It's like dust coming off of them. That's because the shit is not natural and it's coming down. It's blowing with this crazy wind you're hearing. What the F? Look at that. Look at that. Like, just branch, arm, cloud, whatever you want to call it. Roll cloud at this point. I don't even know anymore. This is unbelievable. OH has been under a high wind advisory for 2 days. But look at the clouds. They are literally falling. Like, the chemicals are falling from them. Damn, this wind is crazy. More to come, y'all. You guys hear that? It sounds like a jet inside of that or something. See? Clouds dropping. It's like clouds blowing off of each other. See what I'm saying? It's like the clouds are literally blowing off of each other. Stop! Damn it! This is not normal. It's fucking insane, dude. Insane. Yeah, sense wind does Ohio sound like an ocean front, like a hurricane's rolling up in my area. Like, look at that, dude. It's fucking ridiculous. This is not normal. Like, it's blowing my damn right now. Oh, shit. That ain't no joke, y'all. Look at this. Fudge. Fudge, man. Fudge. This is crazy. wind gust. This is fucking sustained, y'all. Holy shit! Wow! How do people in Ohio think this is normal? All of Ohio looks like fields like this. You guys see all my videos? They're all, you know, wide open like this. This wind is sustained. This is not normal. Look at the telephone pole. Power lines down. Holy shit.